In today's video, we're gonna transform this wig from this to this right here. If you're interested, then keep on watching. So here is our old crusty wig, and if you have any glue on your lace, this is the time you should remove it using some Aspro alcohol. Now I'm showing you guys how this wig is very much tangled, like it is tangled, guys. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna use these combs to comb out our wig and detangle it. First, I use a right tooth comb. This is what I use to detangle every area, and I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing, you know, just to make sure that the hair is fully tangled. You know, just tangled. You feel me? You feel me? Or you don't? Okay. Next, we're going to go in with the black comb. That is the pedal brush, if I'm right. And I'm combing, like, just take your time and make sure that the wig is fully much tangled. Next, I'm combing the back side of the wig. Here is some lukewarm water, and I'm going to use this lavender shampoo to wash my wig, pour it into the rotor, and then use my hand to mix the shampoo into the rotor, adding some milk and mixing. Now I'm going to just dip in my wig, doing that same motion I'm doing right there because I cannot describe it. Okay, so I'm dipping it in. Now I'm going in with the pedal brush and just, you know, detangling the wig while I'm washing it to make sure that every strand of hair is washed. Now I'm putting some shampoo onto the lace of the wig, you know, just to remove any makeup or dirt that you may have on your wig. I'm taking my edge brush and I'm combing my lace, like taking my time. I'm not rushing. Do this very much gently. Do not rush. Just be gentle because you do not want to create some holes in your lace. That is something that you do not want to do. Now we're gonna wash the cloth part because I see most people do not wash the cloth part and you wonder why your wig smell funky. Like, make sure you wash that because that is where our sweat collects when we put on our wig. So that has to be washed, guys. You know, it is very much important. You get what I'm saying? Now after me washing the wig the first time, I'm gonna wash it the second time, pouring the shampoo again into the water and mixing the shampoo into the rotor, pouring some more and then mixing, doing the same process, and then dipping in my wig because I want it to be fully clean. Like, you get what I'm saying, to be very much clean. Now going in with the right tooth comb, and I'm taking my time, guys. You know, I'm taking my time and I'm making sure that I comb it to make sure that there is no any dirt left. You get what I'm saying? Can you see how the water is very much clean? Next is hair treatment. I'm going to use this to, you know, moisturize my wig, and I'm going to use some coconut oil as well just to add some moisture into the wig since we have removed all the moisture with the shampoo. So I'm putting some, you know, spoonfuls of hair treatment, and then since my coconut oil is in a solid form, I went ahead and microwaved it, pouring it into the hair treatment, and I'm mixing it. Like, make sure that this is fully mixed. Like, take your time, you know, when you're mixing this because you want the coconut oil to really dissolve and mix with the hair treatment. You know what I'm saying? This is like you're adding some moisture into the hair treatment and adding some moisture to the hair itself, to the wig hair itself, because you do not want the wig to break. You want it to be very much hydrated, you know, just like your face. So this step is very much important. Now you need a plastic bag. This is what you're going to use to put in your wig and tie it to make sure that it's fully safe in the bag. You need a steaming cup as well. This is the one that I use, and I'm gonna put the wig into this and then steam my wig, okay, with the mixture in the wig. So after me steaming the wig, I'm now removing the wig from the polythene bag, and this was hot. Very hot, guys, but I managed to, you know, not show it on the camera. But can you see how the mixture has dissolved in the hair? Like, when I tell you this, I'm not seeing any white cast. Now I'm using it with some cold water because I want to keep the moisture into the wig and make sure that the wig is fully clean and there is no any mixture that may need to be wanted. I'm now going in with the second cleansing process to make sure that the wig is clean. Now I'm air drying it. This is the best way to dry your hair. You know what I'm saying? So now we are going to spray some heat protector onto our hair, and the heat protector that we use is from Fantasia. Next is a glossing hair polisher from ORS. Put it onto your hand and then rub your hand together and then spread it out throughout the whole hair, ensuring that it gets on every strand of hair. Then go in with the blow dryer and blow dry the hair polisher to spread it out throughout the whole hair, and then use a holding spray, and this is the spray that I use. The reason why we spray a holding spray is to make our curls last for a long time. If you want your curls to last for a long time, then you definitely need to spray some holding spray onto every section that you're going to curl. So I work with 4 tracks of hair at a time, then comb through the hair using a rat tail comb, and then start curling and curl in the motion that I'm doing. I want you to visibly learn this technique. If you see any smoke coming out, that is from the sprays that I've sprayed onto the section. That's why the smoke is coming out, not the hair burning. Always pin down your curls, that is very essential. Filming while me curling the hair is typically hard, and I hope you're at least seeing something. So here are the curls. When I'm done with all of them, I'm going to go ahead and remove the pins, comb out the curls, then I'll come back for the install. So I'm going to push my edges using this Got to Be glue in a yellow bottle, and also this edge brush. That is what I use to push back my edges. I rock in sections, and after pushing back the edges, I go in with the blow dryer on a cool setting. So now we're going to clean off any residue from the gel or any skincare that we may have on our forehead, just to create a clean canvas for our wig cap. So I use penny holes as my wig caps. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know this. Create some holes around your ears and pull them out because they are supposed to be out. And what you do on one side, you definitely do on the other side. So this remaining piece, I love to roll it and cut it with some scissors. To lay down my wig cap, I'm going to use this Got to Be Freeze spray. You can spray 2 to 3 layers depending on how much hold you want. Then after, I'm blow drying until the cap is completely dry. So to tint my cap, I use this foundation. It's slightly darker than my skin tone just because on my forehead I have some discoloration, and perhaps I'm going to do makeup and do all the contouring process. Then I'm going to cut off the extra cap using some sharp scissors. Be careful with this step because you can easily cut yourself. Next, we're going to clean off any makeup that may have gone on our forehead just to create this clean base for our wig installation. I use this aloe vera gel as my skin protector, and always protect your skin from the lace glues because our skins tend to be sensitive. So you're going to tint your lace using the same foundation you used earlier on. So to prevent the makeup on the lace from transferring, I love to go in with a holding spray, put on your wig, and then mark out the edges of your lace so as to get a perfect wig installation. Pushing back the lace, so I use this dust band glue. I apply my glue in dots and spread it out with a tool that has a flat base to it. If you want a stronger hold, then I would suggest you go for 3 to 5 layers. So me, I'm going with 3 layers, and then I blow dry so as to speeden up the process. When the glue turns clear, lay down your lace above the glue. So when laying down my wig, I love to work in section. That just prevents any mistake that you would do if you apply the whole head with lace glue, and it's very easy for everyone to do, even if you're a beginner. And yeah guys, that's it. I'm just doing the same process, applying glue, spreading it out, then putting the lace above the glue. I'm sorry guys, I lost the clip of me applying glue to those small areas and then tying down my lace, but baby, this wig turned out beautiful, gorgeous. I like. And if you want to see how I created this makeup look, make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's the next video I'm going to upload. Okay, see you in the next video, and thank you guys so much for the support you've shown me recently. We are now at 270 subscribers. Yeah.